प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन जावचे पयले आज आमी असेंब्लीत सगळ्यांक सांगूंक सोदताय. एज अ आम आदमी पार्टी MLA, I am attending today's assembly under protest. Why under protest? Because जे Friday जाल्ले ते तुम सगळ्यांक चोयल्ले. So today we are attending the assembly. We in the sense, I and Cruz Silva, he will also speak for himself. Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are going to attend today's assembly under protest and we demand जे resolution 3 linear projects लागून आमगे कलिग्जान गायल्ले and whom we all supported जितले opposition आसले ते resolution आज परत रिकन्सिडर करचे. 3 linear projects मुळे ते आख्खे लोकांक नाकाय इतली MLA आज ते दीस उबे रावल्ले फ्रायडे ते MLA गे वोटरां आम रिप्रेझेंट कोताय आनी आमकां पयलीं प्रोटेस्ट कोताय त्या लोकांक वालोरूं ना. आज आमकांय वालोरूं ना गेलो जाल्यार मेकिंग अ फूल ऑफ अ लेजिस्लेटिव्ह मेंबर. So under protest I am going to go inside. This is the first thing today what I would like to say early in the morning. This assembly I am attending under protest and we would demand that this resolution comes back again regarding the opposition of the 3 linear projects and discussion has to happen. Now when it comes to the presidential elections, yes, as a party, since we are a national party, we have decided that we would go with Mr. Sinha for this presidential elections and that's going to be our stand.
Okay.